Goddamn 47. I don't want all that noise in the background. Sheesh. Got it all sanded and buffed. We're here all fucking night getting this truck done. Look at that. Like vidrio. Still got, it got a little bit of little spots we got to touch up, but for the most part it's ready. It's gonna go to Grow. We're taking it, he's taking it to Grow Innovations. They're gonna do fix the dog house, fix up the seal a little bit, and then make it look smooth. And then they're doing a red bed liner, I believe. It's gonna look sick as fuck. And then right before the show, the 26th Desert Showdown, we'll probably get it back in here and get it polished up one more time, just to make sure anything we missed, because we definitely missed some stuff, but it's hard to tell. Looks good though. I love how it looks black. When the light hits it just right, you can see the red and the silver in it. Wow. That's real good. Alright, you want to pull it out? Motherfucker's loud. The keys are over there. Keys are on the Nissan. Grab that block on the roof. What's that? As far as my truck, we're probably gonna pull it in today. Sitting over there. Sheesh. Give it a quick wash and a little wax. Give it back to the owner for a couple days. On the bed, getting it ready for paint. We're gonna paint the bed next week on Monday, and then inside's probably just gonna get started, you know, fill in the gaps, grind down the welds, and then probably primer so it won't rust. But we won't have time to paint the inside, only because it's so much body work that I'm trying to fix every little edge. Like, I want to make it seamless, so, you know, good work takes time. Can't rush things like that. And then we'll end up cutting and buffing the rest of the truck when it's all painted, or maybe even re-clearing it. I was thinking about doing a candy over the whole thing once it's all done, but that might be before the show after Desert Showdown. Just do something different before every show. Yeah. We'll pull my truck in a bit. I'm gonna give this one a quick wash, and we'll go from there, see what we got going on for the rest of the day. Alright, let's put my shit in. Get started on that. Get it cracking. Got a show to go to. Dope theft. Reese Customs. Sheesh. Let's get this motherfucker in. Full of trucks. Puras pinches trocas aquí, compa. From little trucks, Ford fucking Ranger, big old fucking Transformers. Alright. Sheesh! So. Bitch! This motherfucker left a whole plate of ribs in my fucking on my roof. I can't even record it. Can't record it. This is ridiculous. Like, it's unbelievable. I thought it was a piece of shit.
My fucking ribs is going a ways back there. Goddamn it!
See it?
Yeah, you can see them. They look delicious.
Fuck, man.
That's some bullshit, bro.
I got barbecue sauce on my bed before I got any fucking paint on it.
Yeah, you need to clean that shit good.
Me?
Yeah.
Your fucking ribs, boy.
I'm still gonna eat the ribs. I'm just saying.
They're heating up right now. It's like a plancha back there. So since we didn't get to work on my truck, we're gonna replace it with a mukbang. Mukbang? Mukbang. We're gonna have the big Pedro.
Yes, sir.
You ready? I've never seen a restaurant give food out in a box. They came out with the box. I was just like Joanna, Pedro. Yeah, unless they fucking know you. Maybe find out you go there and you don't even tell me you go there. Tell me you go there without telling me you go there. Okay. How do I do this? I don't know how to set it up. It's like a fucking, you seen the movie Attack of the Aliens on the World?
Alright, so for starters,
Okay, what we got?
we got some motherfucking.
What did you tell the guy you wanted? What did you tell him you wanted?
I want some support.
And then?
And some giddy.
And then?
And then I got a little bit of some
Soski.
sake.
Shit looks like a fucking hand soap. Looks like fucking shampoo. Okay, well. So we're gonna see if you can chug the whole thing the fastest.
No, we're not.
No? Okay. I thought we were. Never mind.
I can't.
There's a fly in here.
I can't chug water.
Kill the fly.
I'll catch it.
Kill it. No way. Bitch is flying over here, motherfucker. I just saw it fly over here. Oh, you act like you're on a news reporter.
On today's episode of the news, some bad shit happened.
Okay. Alright, let me fill up the microphone.
I don't know. Nigiri.
Okay. So we're gonna start off with the beer, and then sake, and then
Some rolls.
some rolls. We were supposed to get more raw sushi, but
Oh, we got some rings too.
Pedro, unfortunately, didn't order because he said it was too much. I don't know why.
No, I told you.
You said. I said.
You You said get one octopus one.
Yeah,
that's
and then I said get something else raw. You're like, nah, it's too much.
Yeah, it's too much raw shit. I'm trying to enjoy my meal and not throw up.
Who got this? Who got CH? Oh, crispy hurricane is mine. What'd you get?
I got.
Who got onion rings?
What kind of cookie
I
you want?
got cucumber roll. I got a spicy something, and then a spicy something.
What kind of cookie you want?
Got a cut? I will take over here.
For your beer?
Over here. Who got avocado rolls?
Me.
Wow.
Which
Here.
one?
This isn't gonna make the cut, so I want to show you guys.
Go ahead.
Fucking avocado sushi. It's like half an avocado. Well, it's like 2 avocados cut in half with shit in it. That looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm allergic to avocados, so I can't eat that.
Did I get that? I did not.
I wish I wasn't allergic to avocados.
You're not allergic to avocado.
I'm allergic to guacamole. I'm allergic to pineapple. Coconut. This? Yo. Yeah. And do you want wasabi?
No.
You want garlic?
Garlic.
Who got cucumber?
Me. And I got another one too, a Haiba one.
Cucumber.
No, I got a Haiba one too, I said.
Kind of plain. Eh.
Something, Haiba something.
Yeah. Just do all of that. You gonna join us?
I'm not trying that. Hell no.
Okay. Soy sauce? Hey, I haven't cleared the table, so try not to get it dirty. I still have to clear it. Anything we get on here is gonna get stained.
Why don't you just put a napkin on top of your food?
Alright, fuck it, I'll repay.
No, put a
Yeah.
napkin.
Peter, put a napkin. Damn. Okay, I got a napkin. Oh, like a big napkin?
Yeah, like to put it on the bottom of the food where you're gonna eat.
For the table, Pedro, fuck your shirt. We're dirty as hell. We just
Dirty.
lift the shit.
I'm not so skin tone.
Okay. Alright. First things first. Is this mine?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ichiban?
You gotta do a shot of the sake first, no?
Wow. Well, you got a lighter?
That's what we got chopsticks, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Nice. Ichiban.
Sapporo.
Calamari rings.
Yeah, you gotta try one and then rate them. One through 10. So once you got a number in your head, let me know.
Does that look rough?
The food?
Alright. Ready?
A little bit.
On 3.
A little bit.
The rating
On
for the
3.
onion ring.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
calamari rings.
Calamari rings.
1, 2, 3,
Hey.
4.
4.
Wow.
So what's the
You've obviously never had calamari rings.
what's the middle ground?
It tastes like an onion ring.
Yeah, I like
Yeah,
it.
I like calamari.
Is it good?
It tastes like onion rings. Literally tastes like bread.
I thought this was an onion ring.
It's not an onion ring, bitch. It's calamari ring.
I'm just kidding, but
Yeah.
so it was between 4 and 8.
No.
I feel like I went to Burger King and asked for a
Was
calamari.
between 4 and 8 though. For the
The
sauce.
beer though? A1. 10. Bitch. I just said don't. It goes through. Man, this shit was gonna be fucked up, Pedro.
Alright.
Stop. For those of you that don't know how to Puerto Rican.
You uncultured swines.
Yeah. Culture yourself. You have to work at 3 in the morning, but no, 4. Oh fuck, I put too much beer.
No, you did.
Okay. What do you, here's this beer, huh? No.
The what?
Taste it by itself. I thought we were rating it.
I already tasted the beer. Yeah, but we got different beers. Oh.
The fuck is Nancy Cup doing in there? Put it, what the fuck are
Oh.
you doing?
Alright, you trying that. I don't know.
It looks like fucking soap. Looks like laundry detergent.
Alright.
Just tastes like weak ass vodka.
I didn't know what it's supposed to taste like.
Kind of like that, just more.
I'll give it a 5.
It's pretty good. Like, it's like a more of a. It's not strong. Oh, looks like you're putting bleach in your fucking drink. Wow. It's like you just poured a bottle of cum. in
I'm
fucking
tasting.
beer.
Don't
Taste
say
it.
that. Alright, what do you think?
Yeah.
No, like what?
Oh yeah, just try
Is it a
taste
4?
No, I'm just saying. Just 'cause
One out of 10.
Well, no, because they're like
One out of 10.
already like overdone,
Yeah, it tastes like.
like soggy.
Yeah, I don't know. They just taste old and.
Well,
But it's good.
you live like a mile away.
Yeah, a mile.
An hour away, I meant.
It's good.
Anyways, I'm gonna try the sushi
Let's
first.
try this garbage first.
The octopus is next, by the way.
That's
we
how
like-
you get too.
Mm.
Okay.
Got some guacamole. Wow. Had some spicy guacamole.
1 through 10. 1 through 10.
That one?
On 3.
1, 2,
Hey.
7.
Nah, that's 7.5. Not bad. Actually, pretty long.
They don't have
It's
any
like
soy
a-
sauce.
Yeah.
It's like a Vegas, like a fake Vegas roll.
If it was gonna be mad as fuck that we haven't used any soy sauce. Fuck, I don't give a fuck. Are you ready?
It's harder when you're not in the restaurant eating.
I know.
Alright, try it by myself. We'll eat it with soy sauce after. With this. Eel? Eel? Is it eel?
No, that's pretty good.
No, like
No,
eel,
no.
like the animal motherfucker. Eel. Not bad. You can barely taste it, but
Alright.
1, 2, 3,
7.
8. Are we just flopping? Are we
Yeah.
flip flopping?
Filter.
Like I guess we like octopus, right?
Yeah, I like octopus.
I don't mind. Honey, you are not on the phone right now. On speaker.
Why?
Just recording. What the fuck?
Hello.
He's like, why? Anyways,
Back to the food.
is this raw?
That's raw as fuck, boy.
I thought octopus was purple. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that.
What do you
Like
mean?
I like it in Marisco. Alright, this one's fine. This one looks the least fucking.
Put the tray down. I need
Put yours on your side. You prepara el tuyo and then I do
I just
mine.
need somewhere to fucking dip my soy sauce, don't I? No, don't put it in the soy sauce.
Yeah, prepáralo. Like
No, you're supposed to just dip it in the soy
Doritos
sauce.
preparados. Let the rice soak it.
No, that's the worst thing you can do, I think.
Are you gonna do ginger or no?
Fuck no.
You gonna eat it like that?
Yeah. Are you
Alright,
ready?
Fuck it. Let's do it. And then I'll eat this whole wasabi thing after.
Oh my god, you're marinating that bitch. I don't even like soy sauce. I'm just doing this for the
Ready?
people.
Oh my god, I'm getting all over my table. Let's go. Like if this shit had a good flavor to it.
No.
Oh. Not a bad idea. You're eating that shit?
Still.
No!
Oh no! You can do it.
That piece won't break. Can't.
I ain't gonna lie. I got one of those too. I'm trying to break it down right now.
Oh my god, it's like
I ain't no bitch, so I'm gonna get it.
I can't do that.
Yeah, I can't do it now. It's just that little piece though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. A little tiny piece. Wow, that was fucking retardo. Yeah, rate it. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2,
5.
3. I fucking give it a fucking 0.
0?
I would never do that again.
So it's like a 2.5.
You're telling me you do that again?
I would. That wasn't
I
bad.
like octopus, but
Besides that little chewy piece, it was not bad.
Yeah. I don't know. I wouldn't do it again. Alright.
Okay.
I'll wash it down now.
I am so sorry. Your table's
My table's fucked up. Alright. Wasabi or what?
Tastes like oil.
Ugh. Ready?
No, I'm not gonna eat that shit.
Why?
I don't even like it regular. I'm not gonna like a whole ball of it. That concludes the mukbang.
Alright.
Or as Jose likes to say it,
Mukbang.
mukbang.
Let me try to. Yeah. Fuck
Oh
this.
wow, that was a bad idea.
I just destroyed that sushi. Well, it's a wrap.
Hey, what's the food place so they know?
Oh, we went to Sushi Neko.
Neko.
I'm gonna go with Neko. More like a necro.
Shit's bomb.
Necro beef. The rest of the food is delicious. The octopus I would never eat again.
Definitely 10 out of 10 would try again.
Yeah. It's a wrap, homie. That was everything, right? You want to try your avocados?
Nah, that's basic.
Yeah, you're right. So for the next video, we will actually work on the bed. The fuck is that on your fucking nose? We're not going with the roll pan anymore, so we're gonna end up tacking molding it. We're not doing that. We're gonna end up doing an SS clone on the truck. That way I have, once it's done, it's not actually done. I actually have more stuff to do. So we're gonna do stock bumper in the front, which we'll fix. I have one that has a dent. We can record that too, the process. We'll paint the roll pan that's on there now and not mold it. That way I can take it off when I got the rear bumper. It's just the SS kit is kind of pricey, so we're gonna buy a few pieces at a time. Get the front bumper, the rear bumper, and then the kit, and then mold it after. Front tubs, hopefully soon after the show. But in the next video, we will paint the bed, paint the rear roll pan, paint the front bumper, have it all painted. And we are gonna take a trip to Pop's Exotic, which is in Mesa on Country Club and University, I believe, right?
Yes, sir. I have no idea.
I don't know. It's in Mesa. We'll put you guys the address somewhere in there. I'll verify it. I know it's in Mesa, Arizona, for anyone that isn't from Arizona. And we're gonna try to do some challenges there. Hopefully it's got something good. We'll eat some nasty shit like you don't eat the 100-year-old egg?
Oh.
It's called the century egg. If he's still got some, we'll try it. If not, then most of the stuff he's got is hot, like hot stuff, the challenges. So I don't know if I want to do that because like it just hurts and it's no bueno.
That's the best thing though.
No, it just hurts. It doesn't even like if it's nasty and I'm trying to eat it like the octopus. I don't even know because I couldn't even eat the fucking octopus.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, we'll do something hot instead of something disgusting.
Yeah, I'd rather do something hot than throw
We'll do that. But yeah, that's it for this fucking video. We got much, unfortunately, and I'll take some wine. Cheers.
This is bomb.
Oh, yo.
Ichiban.
Are you doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cut.